guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys a chill day in my life. I partnered with FabFitFun for this video, and naturally to start off the day I need a cup of coffee. Fun fact, I actually drink decaf coffee, but I like the routine of having something warm and hot for the morning. I always try to start my day off by reading, and on weekends or days where it's more chill, I spend a little bit more time reading. It's better than just hopping on my phone right when I wake up. It stimulates and wakes up my mind, and I just really enjoy reading. And right now I'm working on this book by Brandon Sanderson. It's actually my first Brandon Sanderson book, so I've been enjoying it so far. But he usually sleeps in longer than I do, so when he wakes up, I of course have to greet him.
Someone just woke up. Good morning, baby boy. Hi. Yeah.
Okay, now it's time to pull myself together and fix this mess of a hairdo. So I of course brush through my hair and get rid of all the tangles, and then I opt for a dry shampoo. This one's from Living Proof, the Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, and it's excellent for prolonging the periods between washing your hair. And by the way, this stuff smells amazing. This was the first time I used it, and I usually just let my dry shampoo sit in my hair for a second so it can like absorb all the oil, and then I move on to like rinsing my face. So I actually still use these rounds from my last FabFitFun box, and I just get them damp with water and then wipe my skin with them. I don't always use cleanser in the morning because I do have dry sensitive skin, so something like this to just kind of wipe away any skincare from the night before and just rinse my skin is perfect. Another item from my FabFitFun box is this Summer Friday CC Me Serum. I'm using this specifically in the morning because it does have vitamin C in it, and I love having vitamin C somewhere in my skincare routine, and ideally I like to use it in the morning and then apply a sunscreen after. That's kind of like the ultimate combo to get the most out of your vitamin C products. And then after that, I just go ahead and work the dry shampoo through my hair and work on styling these bangs. I'm not gonna lie, these bangs are kind of a mess for me. And I'm still trying to figure them out, and I feel like I've got a long way to go, but I'm trying, guys, so don't be too hard on me. These bangs are new. Since I'm having kind of like a relaxing, chill kind of day, I thought it'd be the perfect day to open up my FabFitFun box and try out a lot of the products that I got in here. Now, I did fill out the customized quiz to pick out some of the items, but I did opt for like some random items, so we'll see what I got in this box. This is the summer box, and as you can see, very festive. We've got a HelloFresh offer. Ooh, okay. I actually drink this stuff. This is Liquid IV. The flavor that's in mine, it's like a little combo, lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. I have strawberry, but I haven't tried lemon, lime, or watermelon, so I'm excited to try the other flavors of that. Dun, da, da, da. I'm not gonna lie, I did dig into some of this stuff because I am obviously going through my day like I normally would, so I've already kind of like done my hair, and I use this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I've actually been wanting to try this for a really long time because I've heard nothing but good things, so I'm really excited that I could give this a go, and it worked actually really well in my hair. This helps with sweat, odor, and oil, so that might be really good for like not only day after not washing your hair or like to refresh your hair, but the gym possibly, or like my studio classes when I start to go back. And speaking of, I got these, which I'm really excited about. These are the Kate Spade bar socks. So if you guys have ever done like bar classes or anything like that, you actually do them in these specialized socks. So there's two pairs here, so you can use one while you're washing the other. And essentially what makes these types of socks different for bar is like you don't wear shoes in bar, but the hardwood is kind of slippery, or you need a little extra grip because you're like swinging your legs places and like, you know, doing some crazy moves. So it does have the grippies at the bottom here so you don't slip and slide, and they're actually really cute. They're like kind of ballet-esque, which I guess is kind of bar. I used this morning, which is Summer Friday CC Me Serum. This is the first time I've actually tried a Summer Friday product, and that's another thing that's nice about these FabFitFun boxes is I get to try a lot of products or brands that I wanted to try. So I used this morning since it is a vitamin C serum, or has vitamin C in it, and so that's what's on my skin now. I like to use it after I cleanse my skin, and then I apply SPF after I use like a vitamin C serum or product like this. So I'll have to give this a go and try it out for a little longer. But like I said, Summer Fridays is a brand I really wanted to try. Next, we have the Guardian Angel. These are the revitalizing eye gels. I'm also going to take these because these are individually wrapped. So I can just throw one of these in my overnight bag tonight. There's 4 eye gels in here. So I'm gonna take one of these with me and use it later. So my like relaxing chill day, I'll have a little skin treatment at the end of it. We have the Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. This is something that I'm also just gonna throw in my bag. I like to keep skincare at my parents' house because then I have like a set of skincare there and I don't have to like take skincare back and forth. So this will be something I'll probably take over there and leave. We have the Ciate Watermelon Burst Setting Spray, which sounds delicious. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's got that like Jolly Rancher watermelon smell. So I'm gonna be using this at the end of my makeup routine today. And then last but not least, we have this super cute, like little, almost like lunch pail type bag. I'm gonna be using this to take the cake mix and some of Buddy's food over to my parents' house. So we have like, you know, his normal food that he eats, and then we have the cake stuff. Now that I've showed you guys what I got in my summer FabFitFun box, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of makeup now that I've allowed the CC Me serum from Summer Friday sit on my skin. I'm just gonna do something really basic, apply some sunscreen, fill in my brows, little concealer, mascara, and then that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and do that really quick.
Now on chill days, I don't do anything crazy with my makeup. Like I said, I keep it really simple. So essentially I just apply sunscreen, fill in my brows, add a little mascara and some BB cream to my skin. So while I'm doing that, I wanted to share with you guys a couple other things that I think is really cool about FabFitFun, including that they have the most flexible membership ever. So this seasonal box can be completely customized. You can essentially pick out every single item in this box, or you can have FabFitFun kind of surprise and curate it for you. And all of the items in the boxes are curated. So all of the items in these boxes are good quality and pass FabFitFun standards. And so you do get an amazing value for what you pay for. And like I said, I just like the surprise of seeing what brands you get introduced to and the items that come in. I will curate some of my items and then I'll let FabFitFun surprise me with some others. Now, FabFitFun always partners with some charity. This summer, they're partnering with Make-A-Wish, which I think is really cool. And they're making an effort to have a lighter carbon footprint. If you guys want to pick up your own FabFitFun box, I'm going to go ahead and put the discount code in the description box below. Definitely go down there and check it out if you guys are curious.
So I thought I'd go ahead and mix myself up one of these liquid IVs for my drive so I'm nice and hydrated. And I think I want to try the watermelon one. Dump it into my hydro flask. But he's excited to go. If you can hear him panting in the background, he's all excited. He knows what this means when I start packing up his stuff. Ooh, wow. That's very watermelon-y. Okay, and then I've got my little bag here from Business and Pleasure, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack up our food. Ooh, it is insulated inside. Okay, cool. That's gonna be perfect. I've got my carrot cake stuff kind of mixed up. I pre-made the icing, which definitely needs to stay cool. I've got like my liquids measured out here and then my dry ingredients measured out. So all I have to do when I go there is mix it all up and bake it. Zip this all up. Perfect. It even has like a little strap so I can throw it over my shoulder too, which is really nice. Like, so cute. This would be really good for the beach.
Okay, we just got here. Buddy's like super excited because he knows where we are. So we're gonna go ahead and head inside. The drive was really easy, which makes me very happy. You wanna go say Neo? Are you excited? Okay. I just got to my parents' house and now we're gonna make some food and relax. So we got Mother's Day and my dad's birthdays today. Puppies are outside playing. They're obsessed with each other. I gotta show you guys this. Buddy's already all wet. He's playing in the water. What else? My mom's, what are you making, Mom? Potatoes, mashed potatoes? Yum. And then my mom just pulled this out of the oven, which is prime rib. So that'll be for lunch/dinner. And then I see a little kitty over here. Baby, you want to say hi? Hi, baby. Opie wants to say hi too. Okay, hi, baby. Hi, Opie. Are you napping? I brought these for my mom because my mom loves these plums, these Japanese plums. And so I was at a Japanese store the other day, so I picked her up a couple of those. And they're kind of hard to find unless you go to like a specific Japanese grocery store. You want to try one? Okay. They're so sour.
You're supposed to eat a little tiny bit at a time.
Yeah, I think I took too big of a bite. They're good. You like it, Mom?
Mm-hmm. This is good. Reminds me of when I was a little girl. I used to love these.
Yeah, when you lived in Okinawa. It's also my dad's birthday today. He's officially 60. Cheers, Dad. Happy birthday.
Now that I was only 50.
You don't look like you're 60, Dad.
I don't?
No.
Thanks.
It's like- Goodness. Oh, two dirty boys. Buddy, how'd you get so messy? Hi, honey. I know. Let me see your cuteness. So cute. Buddy, get out of there. Hi. Hi. I know. It's so exciting. You guys love each other, huh? What's he doing, Neo? What's he doing, baby? Okay. Okay, it's time to feed Buddy. Oh, you want to eat? Come on. Yeah, good boy. You ready to eat? Okay, sit. Good boy. So as you can see, I spend my days off with my family and loving on my animals. And then after watching some Ancient Aliens, it's time to head into the bathroom and get ready for bed. By the way, do your cats do this too? My cats tend to like come hang out in the bathroom with me, like that's their favorite place to hang out. I don't know why. Are you gonna come hang out with me too, baby? So after that little cat party in the bathroom, it was time to actually go take a shower and do my skincare routine. So after I hopped out of the shower, I just did my normal routine. I have, like I mentioned earlier in the video, some products that I leave at my parents' house. So I just went through all of those, and then the light randomly went out behind me as I was filming. That was kind of weird. And then to help rejuvenate my under eye areas, since it was kind of a tiring day, even though it's relaxing, the puppies tire me out, I brought these Guardian Angel revitalizing eye patches from my FabFitFun box, and I was so surprised, obviously not only by the amount of juice that these eye patches have, but how cute these are. I didn't realize they were gonna be like glittery and actually look like little angel wings. So that alone made me really happy. So I just applied those to my under eye area and let those sit on my skin for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, I just kind of like brushed and flossed my teeth, and then I removed them afterwards. And then finally, to kind of seal everything in, I have that Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask that I applied all over my skin, including my neck area, and that was pretty much it. That was the end of my night. Me and Buddy were pretty much tuckered out for the night. In fact, after I was done in the bathroom, I came out and found him like this. So he had a happy and fun day, and so did I. So it was lights out from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, kind of going through a chill day in the life. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.